Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Etsy image files using Google Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. If you don't have a Google account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once signed in, you'll land on your Google Drive homepage. To create a new folder for your Etsy images, click on the new button on the left side. Select folder from the drop-down menu. Name your folder something recognizable, like Etsy Images, and hit Create. Now, open your Etsy shop and go to the Listings section. Click on each listing to access the images you want to back up. Right-click on the image or click to open it in full size. Choose Save As to download the image to your computer. Make sure to remember where the images are being saved, usually in the Downloads folder. Return to your Google Drive page. Open the folder you just created for your Etsy images. Click on the New button again. This time, select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the location where you saved your Etsy images. Select the images you want to upload and click Open to start the upload process. Watch as your images begin to upload in the Google Drive interface. Once the upload is complete, click on the files to ensure they are accessible. Consider organizing the images further by creating subfolders for different categories. To share your folder, right-click on it and select Share. Enter the email address of anyone you want to share it with and adjust their permissions. Finally, ensure that your images are named clearly for easy identification in the future. You have successfully backed up your Etsy image files using Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.